Why is speech therapy needed? I'm Kayla Chaco, a speech-language pathologist in San Diego, California, and I'm here to answer your questions. Today, I'm going to list just some of the ways that speech therapy can help a person improve their speech and communication, and I'm going to give you some reasons why someone might need speech therapy. This might include expressive disorders. An expressive language disorder is when an individual has difficulty expressing or conveying information. And this can manifest itself by the patient forming unclear sentences or using the inaccurate verb tense, for example. And this disorder can be associated with a lot of different syndromes, even hearing loss or head trauma. There's something called aphasia. This is a communication disorder that can impact the ability a person has to understand others. It can also impact their speech. Aphasia is typically caused by strokes or other brain disorders. Fluency disorders. These types of disorders impact someone's ability to have a steady, flowing rhythm of speech. Cluttering and stuttering are common fluency disorders. Someone with a fluency disorder may have problems producing specific sounds or may repeat parts of a word. Resonance disorders. This classification of speech disorders refers to any problem related to a blockage or obstruction of airflow in the oral and nasal cavities. Very sciencey, right? This type of disorder is associated with neurological disorders, even something like a swollen tonsil or a cleft palate. Articulation disorders. This is the inability to correctly produce certain sounds. Sounds may be dropped or swapped or added or removed. And a common example might be something like a lisp. Saying this instead of this is an example of an articulation disorder. I'm Kayla Chaco. Thanks for watching. I'm making new videos every Tuesday, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my information. Post a comment below with a question so that I can make a video about your specific question. I'd love to do that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm Kayla. Happy talking.